Hello everyone, this is Shagun Singh, and this time we are going to do an experiment to see the refraction of light through a glass slab. So here I have already drawn the diagram. So first of all we are going to put two pins on the incident ray and other two pins on the emergent ray as well, like this. And now let us see them from a different angle. So here we can see that all the pins are visible in the straight line while they are kept in the past position itself. They are unmoved. We can see the refraction of ray. This is called refraction of ray. Now let us remove everything to label the diagram. So first of all, this is going to be our incident ray. Now, and this is going to be our emergent ray. So now let us measure the angle of incidence from the 90 degree, that is the normal. So we have the angle of incidence equals to 45 degree. Same like this we are going to measure angle of emergent. Angle of emergent and angle of incidence is always equal. Here we can see that we have angle of emergence equals to 45 degree, which is equivalent to angle of incidence. Now let us measure the angle of refraction from the 90 degree itself. We have our angle of refraction equals to 27 degree. This angle is also going to be 27 degree as it is a angle of refraction. Now if we extend the incident ray, we find that the incident ray is parallel to the emergent ray. Now let us measure the lateral displacement. This is equals to 2.1 centimeter. Now let us mention everything. Angle of incidence is 45 degree. Angle of refraction is 27 degree. Angle of emergence is equals 45 degree. And lateral displacement is 2.1 centimeter. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching.